Hi guys, this is Envy coming to you with another video, and this video is about how I have switched my investing mindset. Again, if you enjoy this video, please click the like button and subscribe to get access to more videos just like this. I wanted to make this video because I've recently transitioned kind of my mindset about investing. I used to think more like a value investor, like the Warren Buffett way, where you're always buying companies that are cheap but also have a ton of value in them. And I'm looking for more growth companies and tech companies because this is where I see where the future is headed. Being a value investor is synonymous with Warren Buffett, and I have learned a lot about investing through him and what he looks for the companies that he's looking to invest in. Value investing is looking at great companies and trying to buy them while they're on sale and buy them at a great margin of safety. Although this is a great way to look at companies and to look at many things that you're buying, to buy something that's on sale, this method almost wholly takes away from investing into tech companies. Warren Buffett has said it himself that he doesn't like to buy companies that he doesn't understand and doesn't like companies that are not selling at a discount. As a result, he has missed out on the great tech movement that has been happening in the last 20 years. I believe technology companies are the future and they will make our lives easier and better, but they are not cheap. And that is why they don't fit the mold of a typical Warren Buffett company. But just because they're not cheap doesn't mean that they don't have a ton of value in them and that they're not value stocks. Some of these companies are growing at such tremendous rates and will have such big impacts on our lives, but they can be pretty expensive. I'm continuously educating myself about the world of investing, and I've recently found two gurus that I am trying to emulate and follow their investing strategies. They are two people who are investing for the future and how technology will revolutionize our lives. I believe right now we're at a great time with many sectors being disrupted by new technology and new ways of doing things, and I believe right now is a great time to be in the markets and to be in the right side of this change. Although the stock market seems to be a little bit overpriced, and many indicators say that it is, we are at the beginning of many sectors being disrupted, and it will be a great benefit for the people who are on the right side of change. My two gurus and two great investing minds that I've chosen to copy their strategy are Cathie Woods and Chamath Palihapitiya, because they are investing for the future and are going to be on the right side of the change and the disruption that is happening right now. Cathie Woods is the CEO of ARK Invest, and she has been one of the biggest Tesla bulls for such a long period of time and sounding the alarm on the company when everybody was laughing at her evaluations of Tesla. But nobody would listen to her, and she has proven so many people wrong. Her team at ARK Invest focus on companies that are going to be disruptors and that are going to be the next Apple, the next Amazon, and the next Googles, which means they have huge upside potential, and they will end up taking market shares for a lot of these established companies that have not innovated enough to keep up with the current times. Cathie Woods right now has 6 ETFs that all focus on disruptive and innovative companies, and those ETFs have grown tremendously over the past couple of months, and she's known as one of the top money managers in the world. I personally would like to have 40% of my portfolio into these 6 ETFs, because why not incorporate the strategy of such a great mind like Cathie Woods into my portfolio? And I believe that anybody looking to start out investing in the markets should look at these ETFs first, because it would be very hard for them to analyze single companies and invest their money themselves. One other person that thinks similar to Cathie Woods in investing for the future is Chamath Palihapitiya, but he does it with a slight twist. Chamath likes to think of himself as a social capitalist because he wants to invest in companies that are bridging the gap to equality and also is a huge believer into investing for cleaner energy and doing something about climate change. He was also a part of Facebook and had a helping hand into growing the company into what it has become right now. He has left success trails in whatever he touches and has had a lot of success bringing companies public through what you call SPACs, which is a cheaper, faster, and more efficient way to bring companies public. Some of the companies that he's brought public through SPACs are Virgin Galactic, SoFi, Open Door, and Clover Health. And I'm personally invested into all of them except Virgin Galactic at this time. One of the things that I believe that everyone should do in order to gain success in any field is find mentors that they can follow and let them help us make great decisions that will lead us to success also. With Cathie Woods and Chamath Palihapitiya, I have those mentors that I've chosen to follow, and I believe the companies and the ETFs that I am invested in right now will end up 10xing in the next 5 to 10 years. Chamath and Cathie are two great leaders and they have a tremendous track record, which gives me great assurance to be investing in the same companies as they are. I also do look into the companies that I'm investing in and don't just blindly follow these recommendations, because ultimately I know I'm responsible for my own portfolio and for my own success. I have to admit that since I've been following Cathie and Chamath, my eyes have been open to what the future holds for us and which companies will profit from these great changes that are happening right now. Because of their guidance, I know I'm on the right side of the change that is happening right now, and I'm very excited about my investing future. I do invest into other companies that I find attractive also, but Chamath and Cathie have given me a great base of what companies to invest in. I hope along the way I can educate a lot of my viewers about the companies that I'm investing in and just investment knowledge in general. But ultimately it's up to you to make your own investment decisions and make sure you study the companies that you are investing in. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video about who has inspired me lately, and I hope you click that thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this, because I really do want to make investing less scary to the beginners and also provide great content to the non-beginners as well. So I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.